Happy birthday, Ori! Sana maglago ka ng Roblox at COD. At I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ori. Ang wish ko lang naman sa iyo ay maging mas mabait ka at lalong mas dumami pa ang birthday at blessings na dumating sa iyo. I love you, Ori. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Ori! Stay pretty as you are. Sana maging mabait kang bata at mag-aral na mabuti. I love you, Ori. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ori. Sana paglaki mo, maging successful ka, maging mabait kang bata, and sana lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang. I love you, Ori.
Ano English na baka? Corn beef. Corn beef. Ito last question sa English Okay. Ano English ng kabayo? Iniinom ko yan. Anong iinom mo? Red horse.
It seems good luck's finally on my side. She pulls the sheets off of me every night. To rise. I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need. It's like you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me.
Happy birthday, baby. We wish you all the best in life. We do hope, Mommy and I, that you will remember this special day that we had spent for you and the family. I know this is a difficult time for all of us, but we tried our best to make this day special for your birthday. Happy birthday, and I love you as always. Ingat ka palagi, baby, ha? Love you.
I got you, honey, and you got me. I got all I could ever need. I swear you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me. Honey, you got me. I got all I could ever need. It's like you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me. Yeah, I got all I could ever need. I swear you walked out of my wildest dreams. Yeah, I got you, honey, and you got me.